Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Girls Suitcases is probably one of the most exciting purchases a young traveler can make, transforming trips from a chore into an adventure with their own special luggage that sparks joy and independence. Imagine your little one's face lighting up as they effortlessly glide through the airport or hotel lobby with their very own colorful, character-themed rolling suitcase, packed with their favorite toys and essentials, making every journey a memorable experience and fostering a sense of responsibility and excitement for exploration. Number 5. Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack, Pink Dots. Introducing the Rockland Rolling Backpack, designed for convenience and style. It's perfect for carrying your essentials with ease. This backpack features a double handle for comfortable carrying and easy maneuverability. You can choose how you want to transport it. With a large main compartment and a front pocket organizer, keeping your belongings tidy has never been simpler. There's plenty of room for everything you need. Stay hydrated on the go with the convenient side mesh pockets, perfect for water bottles. Access your drinks easily wherever you are. Enjoy maximum comfort with padded shoulder straps that make carrying it a breeze. They are designed to reduce strain on your shoulders. Navigate any surface with confidence thanks to the durable double wheels. They provide stability and smooth rolling, making travel effortless. What we like? This rolling backpack offers a convenient double handle and a front organizer pocket for easy access. Its padded shoulder straps ensure comfort for carrying. If you need a versatile option that can be both rolled and worn as a backpack, this is a great choice for school or short trips. What people say. It has a collapsible pulling lever and wheels, which makes traveling way less of a hassle. I love that the base is more square than rounded, so I can pack everything more evenly. It's surprisingly spacious and fits just what you'd need for a trip. There is the main big compartment and two smaller ones at the front, where I usually keep small items like my phone charger and anything I need to grab quickly. Super convenient and perfect for travel. It definitely took a beating throughout the school year, but it held up better than I had expected. It held a lot. She carried a Chromebook, 3 library books, a minimum of 3 composition notebooks, folders, a massive pencil and supply bag and more on a daily basis. It definitely saved her back this last school year. Quality bag, good space, good zipper, roll good. Number 4. iPlay iLearn Unicorn Kids Luggage Set. Introducing the iPlay iLearn Unicorn Kids Luggage Set, perfect for your little traveler. This adorable set includes a Hardside suitcase and a matching backpack. The carry-on suitcase measures 18 inches, while the backpack is 13 inches, making them ideal for airlines and sleepovers. Both are crafted from durable ABS plastic for longevity. Designed to be lightweight, this set won't be a burden for children. It encourages independence as they can easily manage their own belongings. Navigate any space with ease thanks to the 4 multi-directional spinner wheels that support 360-degree rolling. Pulling and pushing has never been simpler. The extendable telescoping handle adjusts to different heights, perfect for both children and parents. Its aluminum construction ensures durability and easy gripping. Make travel exciting with our playful unicorn designs. Your child will love their new luggage and feel like a confident little traveler. What we like? This Hardside luggage set features 4 spinner wheels for effortless 360-degree movement and an adjustable handle for comfortable use. It's lightweight and perfect for airline travel, weekends, or sleepovers. If you're looking for a complete set that encourages independence and makes travel fun for your child, this unicorn-themed option is ideal. What people say. The handle locks at a lower height that's perfect for my 3-year-old to pull and a higher height that was easy for me to use. The wheels rolled smoothly whether we were using all 4 or just 2. Fit easily in the overhead bin since it's smaller than the usual roller bags. The suitcase is a roomy little suitcase. The little backpack is excellent and my 3-year-old loves to wear it. It's very comfortable. The backpack has a zipper that goes almost all the way around and the sides have a little elastic part that has extra material so it can stretch. The inside has great pockets and a little separation. Number 3. Rockland Junior Kids My First Hardside Spinner Luggage. Get ready for your next journey with this fun and durable luggage. It's designed for little travelers and easy for parents too. Crafted from a lightweight yet sturdy polycarbonate shell, this carry-on is built to last. It can handle all the bumps and tumbles of travel. Effortlessly glide through airports and hotels with its smooth spinning wheels. It makes navigating busy places a breeze for everyone. This 19-inch carry-on is just the right size for your child's essentials. It's compact enough for overhead bins but spacious inside. The telescoping handle adjusts to the perfect height for both kids and parents. This ensures comfortable handling for all ages. Featuring a charming owl design, this luggage adds a touch of personality to your child's travel gear. It's sure to be a hit. What we like. This lightweight Hardside spinner luggage is designed for easy handling with its telescoping handle. It's a durable carry-on option that's perfect for little travelers. If you prioritize a simple, sturdy, and easy-to-maneuver suitcase for your child's first independent travel experiences, this is a solid pick. What people say. Rolls super easy and not too heavy. My grandson 3 takes it everywhere. It's well built and very sturdy. Rolls great. My 3-year-old pulls it by himself. Fits a lot more than I expected. The scuffs from being handled at the airport came off with magic eraser. Number 2. AGSDON Kids Mermaid Rolling Luggage. Introducing the AGSDON Kids Mermaid Rolling Luggage, designed for your little ones. It's a cute and fun companion for their travels. This luggage features a unique folding design. Not only is the handle adjustable, but the bottom also folds for easy storage, saving you space. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly, and water-resistant material, it keeps belongings dry even in the rain. Travel with peace of mind. With its perfect size for toddlers, it offers a spacious main compartment and multiple pockets. Keep everything neat and organized with its mesh fabric design. The eye-catching unicorn shape comes with a press bubble design. Kids can enjoy popping the bubbles, which helps relieve anxiety and stress. Built with durable, low-noise wheels, a comfortable handle, and smooth zippers, it ensures a relaxed and happy travel experience. What we like. This unique folding kids luggage saves space when not in use and is made from eco-friendly, water-resistant material. The fun press bubble design adds an element of stress relief. If you need a compact, durable, and engaging suitcase for toddlers that can withstand light rain and keep them entertained, this mermaid-themed option is perfect. What people say. Fits a lot and rolls nicely. Zips and unzips easily. Quality, durability, and so very cute. Very spacious and light enough that a 3-year-old can pull it. Perfect size for traveling with our kiddo stuff. It's sturdy, rolls well, and we're very happy with it, especially that it folds flat to be stored. Number 1. Kids Rolling Carry-On Suitcase. Introducing the perfect travel companion for your little ones. This durable suitcase is designed for both girls and boys, making packing fun and easy. With smooth rolling wheels, your child can effortlessly pull their own luggage. It's the ideal size for a toddler's essentials, encouraging independence on the go. Crafted for durability and ease of use, this carry-on is perfect for short trips or family vacations. Let them pack their favorite toys and clothes with excitement. Designed as a convenient carry-on, it fits easily in overhead compartments. This makes travel less stressful for parents and more enjoyable for children. Available for both young adventurers, this suitcase combines practicality with playful design. Get ready for smiles and easy journeys with this fantastic travel gear. What we like. This rolling carry-on luggage is designed for both girls and boys, featuring durable wheels and fun designs to make travel exciting. It's perfectly sized for toddlers and children. If you want a practical, fun, and durable suitcase that your child will love to pull themselves, this is a fantastic choice for holidays and everyday adventures. What people say. It has lots of pockets to keep things organized, good value and easy for my 5-year-old to use. Rolls great and still uses it to this day every weekend grandparent house trips. It rolls well and he is easily able to pull it himself, which he loves. It has plenty of space for several books, coloring books, crayons, his small block set, some cars and dinosaurs that he normally packs. It would easily fit several days' worth of clothes if you used it for that. We've used it several times now and it zips well and seems to be really good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.